Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check if Salesforce is down. Let's begin. If you are experiencing issues with Salesforce and you want to check if the platform is down, you can follow these steps. Number one is the most reliable way to check the status of Salesforce services is to visit the Salesforce Trust website. Type in on your web browser trust.salesforce.com. What will happen is you would be forwarded here. Okay, on the homepage, you'll see the service status section. All right, you see that? Which indicates the current status of various Salesforce services and instances. Look for any alerts or incidents that may affect a region. For example, sales and service, Spiff, MuleSoft, Tableau, Social Studio, and a lot more. The status will be marked as app or down for each service. And of course, you can also view scheduled maintenance. You can also check for any upcoming or ongoing maintenance that might impact service availability. And that is under the maintenance tab. All right. Now, another option is if you log into trailhead.salesforce.com, you would notice that there's going to be an update maintenance. The Trailblazer community will be unavailable from October 19th, 2024, 7 p.m. PDT to October 19th, 2024, 10 p.m. PDT, like 3 hours. So please plan your activities accordingly. All right. So these are some of the ways for you to be able to check if Salesforce is down. Or you can also check the Salesforce community to see if other users are reporting similar issues. You can also check for the support forums right here, or raise a support ticket if you believe the issue is specific to your organization. All right, so that's one of the best ways. You can always go here on the help section. On the Salesforce help, if you don't want to, or if you want to ensure that this is not an isolated case, click on confirm. We need to raise a ticket or issue from, or a case on the Salesforce troubleshooting support specialist. Okay, wait for it. It'll load and give you to the page where you can open a form or create a case, right? Contact support and create a case. Now, you would be forwarded here in the subject. You can put in some files or screenshot that you are having problems checking your account or the Salesforce is down, and they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps if in case this is an isolated case or not. All right, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.